Video voters of Dhaka Customs Agents Association election 2024, 2025, 26. Voter number picture on screen. Name of enterprise and name of person. Invoice. 200. Mohammad Jamal Uddin, proprietor, Bolaka Traders. 201. Mohammad Abdul Momin, proprietor, Bonolata Agency. 202. Banaripara Agency, managing partner, Mohammad Munirujjaman. 203. Mohammad Mehdi Islam, director, Bandhan Trading House Limited. 204. Mr. A. Jafar Nizami, proprietor, Bangladesh Builders. 205. Mohammad Dulal Hussain, proprietor, Bangladesh Cargo Services. 206. Abdur Rahim Bishwas, proprietor, Bangladesh Cargo Services. 207. Dewan Atiquzzaman Labu, director, Bangladesh Express and Logistics Limited. 208. Azharul Islam Chunnu, proprietor, Bangladesh Trade Syndicate. 209. Banijjo Bikram Limited, managing director, ATM Altaf Hussain. 210. Mohammad Anisur Rahman, proprietor, Bari Enterprise. 211. Mohammad Rashidul Hassan, proprietor, Borishal Agency. 212. Mohammad Abdus Sattar Hawladar, managing partner, Borishal International. 213. Mohammad Salahuddin Khan, finance director, Barlow Packers and Shippers Limited. 214. Shomir Kanti Sharkar, proprietor, Beige Corporation. 215. Akhtar Hussain Khan, managing director, Bay Shipping Lines Limited. 216. Mohammad Mansoor Hussain, managing director, Bibaria Cargo Limited. 217. Mohammad Sirajul Islam, proprietor, B-Line Bangladesh. 218. Mohammad Monor Hussain, managing director, Benko Milandoh Shippers Limited. 219. Arif Rahman, director, Bengal Airlift Limited. 220. Abu Bakr Siddiq, proprietor, Bengal Friends and Company. 221. ASM Zakir Hussain, managing director, Bengal International Agencies Private Limited. 222. Mohammad Shah Alam, managing director, Best Global Way Limited. 223. Proprietor, Joinul Abedin, Best Cargo Care. 224 Mohammad Rejaul Billah Shimul, Director, Best Shirts Limited. 225 Ghulam Mohammad, Proprietor, Best Deal International. 226 Mohammad Ashraful Alam, Proprietor, Betravati Trade Syndicate. 227 M.A. Mannar, Managing Partner, Bhandaria Trade Agency. 228 Mrs. Irene Nahar, Proprietor, Bhuya Enterprise. 229 A.K.M. Akram Hussain, Proprietor, Bhuya Trade Agency. 230 Mohammad Idris Chaudhary, Proprietor, Bidyut Enterprise. 231 Kaji Bilal Uddin, Proprietor, Bipasha International. 232 Altaf Hussain Chaudhary, Proprietor, Biplab Trade Overseas. 233 Raj Kumar, Proprietor, Beer Shipping. 234 Nazmus Shahriar Sadat Anwar, Director, Birds Associates Limited. 235 Sheikh Liaquat Hussain, Proprietor, Bismillah Enterprise. 236 Alhaj Mohammad Mustafizur Rahman Khan, Proprietor, Bismillah Shipping Lines. 237 Mohammad Humayun Reza Mojumdar, Proprietor, Bismi Enterprise. 238 Mohammad Al Amin, Proprietor, Bishas Trade International. 239 Mohammad Nizam Uddin Khan, Proprietor, Blue Bird Agency. 240 Nazmul Hassan, Proprietor, Blue Ocean Syndicate. 241 Basudev Bhumik, Managing Director, BN Trade Logistics Private Limited. 242 Abu Khair Muhammad Jakir, Managing Partner, BNZ Clearing and Logistics Services. 243 A.K.M. Murtajur Rahman, Proprietor, Bogora Trading. 244 Redwanul Kurim Runju, Proprietor, Boston Enterprise. 245 Ahmed Saiful Salehin, Chairman, Breeze International Shipping Limited. 246 Mohammad Abdul Haq, Managing Director, Bright Shipping Agency Limited. 247 Mohammad Mujibur Rahman, Managing Director, Brilliant Syndicate Limited. 248 Mrs. Shahina Begum, Proprietor, Brindavan Enterprise. 249 Mohammad Imrul Kaisar, Proprietor, Brothers Enterprise. 250 Mrs. Saleha Begum, Director, Brothers International Agency. 251 Kamrul Nahar Emma, Proprietor, Brothers Overseas. 252 Soyed Muad Muzaffar Hussain Bukhari, proprietor, Bukhari Enterprise. 253, Mohammad Murshiduzzaman, proprietor, Bulbul Port Clearing Corporation. 254, Mohammad Burhan Uddin, proprietor, Burhan and Company. 255, Shaukat Hussain Khan, proprietor, CS Enterprise. 256, Ahsanul Islam Ripon, Chairman, CS Enterprise Limited. 257, Mohammad Shafiqul Islam, Managing Director, California International Limited. 258, Mohammad Shamsuzzaman Khan, Proprietor, Kenda Tex, Bangladesh. 259, Mahbuba Hasna Shilpi, Proprietor, Candid Corporation, Bangladesh. 260, Mohammad Hamimul Bahar, Director, Candid Enterprise Limited. 261, Mohammad Moinul Islam, Director, Cargo Care Services Limited. 262, S.M. Ilyas, Managing Director, Cargo Connection Limited. 263, Mohammad Saidur Rahman, Partner, Cargo Point. 264, AKM Akramuzzaman, Chairman, Carry 4 Logistics Limited. 265, Saiful Islam, Managing Director, CDZ Global Logistics Limited. 266, Mohammad Abul Kalam, Managing Director, Choiti Apparels Limited. 267, Amin Ahmed, Proprietor, Chandpur Trading Corporation. 268, Proprietor, Yasin Arafat, Chottola International. 269, Mohammad Shah Alam Mujumdar, Proprietor, Chitra Impex. 270, Mohammad Zakir Hussain, Managing Director, Cholon Bill Cargo Limited. 271, Sakib Chaudhuri, Managing Partner, Chaudhuri and Company. 272, Mohammad Badruddin Chaudhuri, Proprietor, Chaudhuri Enterprise. 273, Mustafizur Rahman Chaudhuri, Proprietor, Chaudhuri Syndicate. 274, Mohammad Alamgir Hussain, Proprietor, Chum Cargo International. 275, Mohammad Alinur Rahman, Proprietor, City Airlines. 276, Mr. Sukumar Ranjan Ghosh, Proprietor, City Medical Stores. 277, Proprietor, M. Nurul Amin, City Shipping Lines. 278, S. M. Iftekhar, Proprietor, Classic Cargo International. 279, Amirul Islam, Chairman, Classic Cargo Limited. 280, Mohammad Kabir Uddin Ubhiya, Chairman, Managing Director, Clefo Trade Associates Limited. 281, Mr. Sajidul Bari, Proprietor, Clifford Concern. 282, Mohammad Jiaul Karim, Managing Director, CNF 24 Limited. 283, Khandokar Mufaddel Hussain, Chairman, Columbia International Limited. 284, Mohammad Khairul Bashar, Proprietor, Comma Creation. 285, Mohammad Sarwar Alam, Proprietor, Commitment International. 286, Mahmouda Ali Shikdar, Proprietor, Computer World, BD. 287, Mohammad Ashikur Rahman Khan, Proprietor, Concept and Ideas. 288, Mohammad Sulaiman Haq, Proprietor, Concord Cargo Services, BD. 289, ABM Rafiquzzaman, Director, Concord Express BD Limited. 290, Salauddin, Director, Contrans Private Limited. 291, Kabir Ahmed, Chairman and Managing Director, Conveyor Logistics Limited. 292, Qazi Shahadat Hussain, Proprietor, Cooperative Enterprise. 293, Soyed Mahbubur Rahman, Managing Partner, Cooperations Enterprise. 294, Qazi Saiful Islam, Proprietor, Corona Associates. 295, Shamima Sultana Shirin, Chairman, Cosmo Trading C&F Limited. 296, Ali Haidar Mohammad Sajjad, Chairman, Crosslink Logistics Limited. 297, Mohammad Arif Chaudhary, Proprietor, Crossroad Clearing. 298, Mohammad Sherajul Islam Babul, Managing Director, Crown Speed Limited. 299, Mohammad Alamgir Mojumdar, Managing Partner, Christian Cargo Complex. Comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.